Happy 4th of July. Today's video is how to use a grill. How do you turn on the propane? What tools are you going to use for simple grilling, whether it's sausages or ribs, steak, or hamburgers, which is what everybody likes to have for 4th of July, and how to turn on the burner and how to light the burners. So this is my grill, and this is going to determine what temperature that the grill is cooking at. Usually when I make sausages, I like to make it at 350 degrees. These are the switches to turn it on for high and low. I personally prefer to put my food on this because it keeps the grill clean, and I also use this brush that I use after I grill to clean it. And because I get bristles from this brush on this, that makes it so I don't think that the food is clean enough, and that's why I prefer these. Now this you can get over at Amazon. I got them at Dollar Tree. I also like to use this tool for cleaning the grill, and I use this for lighting the burners. You may want to think, where are your burners located? It may have been a long time since you have grilled, or you may never have grilled before and you don't know how to do this, and this is what this video is for, how to use a grill. Well, this opens up. Okay, and when you want to light, you can light up your burner. You can do that. You can move this, and you're going to use this product. This product lights up the burners. Now the burner is located down here. It's going to be here. This is where the burner is on my grill. I'm assuming that on most propane grills it is located there. And you're going to turn this on to light up that burner. And the way that you turn on this is you're going to push this, and you have a trigger here, and you're going to pull that trigger. And there's your light. Your fire. And then to turn it off, you're going to stop pulling this trigger, and you're going to let go of this. Okay, so you're going to light it up on here, and that's how you're going to get the flame. Now, it will not flame immediately because you're going to have to turn on the knob. So you're going to turn on the knob, and you're going to light it up. But before you do any of this, you're going to have to turn on your propane tank. So step 1 is turn on the propane tank. Step 2 is to light the burner while turning on the knob. You're going to have multiple knobs for all the different burners that you have. Okay. Now my propane tank is located in here. I buy mine over at Lowe's. Okay. And this is called Blue Rhino. And I have the on-off switch. Well, it's right here. And you're just going to turn it to turn on the propane to work your grill. And then you're going to put your meat or your vegetables, like your corn, on here, and then you're going to cook them. Please watch my video on how to grill fish, salmon fish, on the grill, to learn how to grill that with perfection. I also talk about how to marinate it. And for this video, I'm going to be grilling sausages. Chicken sausage that's got an apple glaze on it. I bought them at Sam's Club. So for grilling, what tools are best to use? Well, you're going to use multiple tools. You can use a spatula, a fork to pierce your food, like if you were grilling sausages. I have a hummingbird buzzing around my head. I have my hummingbird feeder right above the grill. I like to take the hummingbird feeder away from the grill when grilling so smoke doesn't get on the hummingbird feeder. Also, I have a video on how to make hummingbird nectar. Please check out my videos. I have many videos about recipes, cooking French fries for when you want to be grilling, and many different recipes like turkey lasagna, and my beautiful harp music is on my YouTube page. My most popular video is Canon and D of the Harp Ensemble, and Domestic Ducks in Winter. So these are the tools that I like to use. I purchased these. You can get them anywhere. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot. And this is the fork that I like to pierce the food with, and my tongs. These are the sausages that I'm going to be putting on the grill. They are defrosted. Now, what is good to eat on one of these that's not mustard or ketchup or pickles? Avocados. Yes, you can prepare avocados and put them on top of your sausage or hot dogs. Please watch the video that I have posted on how to prepare avocados for your dishes, for hot dogs or baked potatoes or for green smoothies. So I've got the hot dogs on the grill. I turned on the grill and I put fire to the burner. Now you want to be careful when doing sausage because it can get burnt very quickly, and it doesn't take much time at all. So you're going to be taking your tool and you're just going to be turning it to keep an eye on it. You're going to turn it all the way and you're going to be watching it. Now, if you were going to be making steaks, you want to consider putting a rub on the steak, and that rub is going to have spices on it. So you're going to take your steak and you're going to put the spices on it, and then you're going to take your hands and you're going to rub the steak with your hands for now one good side dish to have with your 4th of July food is French fries. And I have a video on my YouTube page on how to make the most delicious French fries